Okay, here we are on our last assignment to earn our black belt. First thing we're going to do is add some data validation, which basically means that we're going to play with some drop-down lists. Now, there's lots of things that you can do with data validation, but right now, and you can link them to other sheets, but right now I'm just going to show you how to add a drop-down list like this right here. So what you do is you click on the cell where you want the drop-down list, and then you go to Data, Data Validation, and here's your cell range. Right now, I just have one cell selected. You can choose more than one. And then your criteria is a list from a range, or you have these other options. Right now, I'm going to use list of items, and I'm going to say done, need help, need more time, and not started. Some teachers actually use this, put this spreadsheet up on their smartboard, and then kids can come up and they can choose. They can have their name here, and then the kids can choose where they're at on a certain assignment. So let's just go ahead and put needs more time, and I can put that out there like that. But the student can always come back and change that. So that's how you make drop-down boxes. With this, you can also use conditional formatting, which we'll talk about in Level 2 class. And if you want to learn about that, come take the Level 2 class. So after you've made some sort of drop-down list in Google Sheets, then you can go ahead and publish it to the web. So this is how you do that. You just come up here to File, Publish to the web, and you have some choices. You can make a link or you can embed. This is the embed code to put it on a web page. You can do the entire document, or you can do one of these tabs. You can do a web page, or you can do any of these in Excel or CSV or PDF, your choice. This is your link. I'm going to go ahead and copy that link. And you also have publish setting, and you can also stop publishing. So if you ever decide you don't want to have this published anymore, you can stop publishing, and then people will see a blank page or a little note saying that this is not available anymore. You can make it private by requiring people to sign in with their school accounts. And then this is the other thing that's really important. If you want to make changes to the spreadsheet and you don't want to have to go to that web page where you embedded it or your link or anything like that, just click this box, and then any changes you made, whoever you've given this link to, the changes will also show up. If you check that off, then they will not see any updates. So it's your choice what you think is going to work for you. And then you also have the same thing with embed code. Here's your embed code. You can do your entire document, or you can do all of these items. But I would like you to do a link. So I've created that link. So then what you're going to do is you've been working off of this spreadsheet or this slideshow, and each one of you has one. And what I'd like you to do is to come on here on your page and go ahead and make this a link, and then paste that link for your published document right there. And so when I open that up, you'll see it's a published document, which is kind of a cool thing. All right. So then let's go back to the classroom. And so now this is the part that you're going to need to turn in. So once you're finished with all of this, go ahead and click Turn In. But before you do that, you also need to add your original spreadsheet. So you'll go ahead and click on Add, and then you'll go to your Google Drive. And then you'll go to your Sheets Practice, and you'll click that, and you'll say Add. And now you'll have both of, okay, so it's telling me that I can't do that because I don't own that, because I've been working out of my other account, but that's okay. That's what you would do. You would still go here to the drive. Let's go to my drive, and let's see what we have to add here. Here's one here. Let's try adding this one. Okay, it's still not going to let me. And then you'll go ahead and you'll turn this in, and then you'll say yes. And you should have 2 attachments. And so that's what you need to do to earn your black belt. Congratulations.